Snacks before and after.
First time donor.
I'm a little bit nervous.
This is my second time.
This is my first time.
First donation. Yay.
Third time?
This is my third time.
I think I'm close to 20.
Hey, Joanne here with Engines for Change. We are here today at the Canadian Blood Services at Young and Bloor, and we've got a team of about 13 people who are donating blood.
This is actually my first proper time donating. I've been wanting to donate for ages, but they actually rejected me a number of times. So fingers crossed they do not reject me today.
Today I am a failed donation. I couldn't donate because I just had surgery. But there was another failed. Hi, other fail.
I used to have really bad iron levels, so I think that's all up and not a problem anymore. So fingers crossed. Here we go.
My grandfather, when he was alive, he needed like a lot of blood transfusions, and it got me thinking like, where does the blood come from, and so on. So I started to donate when I was able to.
And Engines for Change having the event, it just got my butt out of my chair.
It's already late. I should have done that before, but I'm so proud that I could come this time.
And also to do it together with like the Litas for Engines for Change just seems like the right thing to do.
I wanted to try and make a difference and help out, and it's in me to give. And I'm O positive, which is a very versatile blood.
First donation. How was it?
First donation, it was awesome. Yeah, no, everybody was really helpful. I felt good. I feel even better now, even though I'm a little bit hungry.
So big thanks to Rainey, and Beth, of course, is also here. And yeah, we're just about done, and then we're going to head over for brunch. So
How was it?
It was great. Excellent. I'll be back.
How did it go?
It was great.
Yay. Oh no, don't fall.
It was great. It was really chill. It was easy.
How was it?
It was really good.
Oh, nice snacks. How was it, Thais?
hey, it was awesome. So easy. Thanks for coming out on this early Saturday morning in January. We're hoping this is going to be a yearly event, so stay tuned.
Oh no, are you just stealing snacks?
I am.